So you want to start protecting your VPC configurations on AWS, and the best way to do it is with Veeam Backup for AWS. Hi, I'm Julia with Veeam, and today we're going to guide you through the process of creating a VPC backup policy, showcasing how simple and granular it can be. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Veeam Backup for AWS console, so right-click on the appliance and click Open Console. Go to Policies and click on the VPC tab. By default, Veeam Backup for AWS provides a pre-configured VPC configuration backup policy that's currently disabled. To kickstart the protection of our Amazon VPC configuration, we'll have to enable and edit the backup policy. So click Enable and click Edit. This VPC configuration backup policy automatically collects VPC configurations data from all your backup policies, which in my case is only US East. We can check if our IAM role selected has the required permissions to perform the VPC backups. If you toggle this off, you can manually add the AWS regions to the VPC backup policy. You can also add other IAM roles to protect VPC configurations from other accounts. Here you can specify if you want the backup repository to host redundant copies of VPC configurations. Here you can set the retention period for the backup and its frequency. In case you had configured email notifications, you would be able to turn them on here. Finally, you'll see a summary of your settings and you can click Finish. With the configuration set, we can go ahead now and manually initiate the backup policy to start protecting our VPC configuration. And there you have it! Our VPC configuration backup policy is now established within Veeam Backup for AWS, empowering seamless protection for all your VPC configurations. With these advanced tools, your critical VPC data remains safeguarded in the cloud. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll explore how to protect various other cloud scenarios and workloads. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content releases. Thanks for watching!